Hello dosto, welcome back to YouTube channel Khamkha Vlogger. Currently we are here in Vagamon, and in the previous video you saw we traveled from Bangalore to Vagamon. I hope you have enjoyed that journey, but in this vlog we are going to cover one more journey. So today we are going to travel from Vagamon to Alappuzha. So this journey is going to be the most amazing journey because we are going to experience so many good things in this journey. So to start this vlog, we'll leave Vagamon early in the morning. By 8:30 we'll leave Vagamon and then we'll reach Kottayam. So in the previous video I also told you that I have took a car on rental. So that car rental will return and then we'll head towards Kottayam. I have to this car, so I have to drop this car in Kottayam, and then from Kottayam we'll travel to Alappuzha. And with this view you can see behind me, whole mountains we can see, and the clouds are also touching. I'll give you a very short tour of how the Vagamon is looking like currently in the morning, and then we'll start our journey from Vagamon. So now अभी हम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं फ्रॉम वैगमॉन, एंड यू कैन सी वैगमॉन टू आई हैव पुट लोकेशन एज कोट्टायम रेलवे स्टेशन because that is the place where we picked this car. So it is showing 2 hours 1 minute and 66 kilometers now, and the time is, I can show you, time is approx 8:30. So now we are starting from Vagamon. So this is our resort where we stayed, Green Palace Resort only, but there's nothing like of kind of resort. So this is how it looks like. This is the back building and then this is the front building. Uska entrance udhar se hai. So now we're departing from here. Let's start our journey from Vagamon, and जब हम कोट्टायम पहुँचेंगे I'll show you कि कार में टोटल कितना मुझे एक्सपेंस लगा, कार रेंटल 1 day we took, और कितने बजे हमने लिया था. That's what I told in the previous video. So if you want to get some more information about the car rental, you can refer my previous video where I have told you like which is the car company, what is the amount we're going to pay, and then when I'll reach Kottayam also, then I'll show you ki what all charges we are going to pay in final. Okay. So guys, we have now stopped at this zip line, जो कि approx 10 minutes drive from Vagamon है. And let me tell you, this zip line looks very much interesting. That is why I'm going to do this zip line. I'll also show you the footage how it looks. There's a drone footage also here. So if we talk about what all places are there to visit in Vagamon, so Vagamon 2 days would be enough. So my experience of Vagamon was not that good. Maybe my planning was not that much accurate, but Vagamon is a really peaceful and small hill station in Kerala. And regarding what all places, so Vagamon Meadows is there, and then Vagamon boating is also there. Then Vagamon Glass Bridge you should also not miss. 250 per person it's there on the Glass Bridge. 5 minutes they'll give you for Glass Bridge, but Glass Bridge is also very good. And then day 2 you can also, while moving towards Kottayam or Alappuzha, you can also cover this zip line, right? This is also going to be very interesting. Let me show you how it looks, how this zip line looks in Vagamon, and then we'll start our journey again. So guys, we have completed the zip line here. It's 600 rupees per person, and then if you want drone footage, you have to pay 300 rupees extra. So 600 meters they claim one side, 600 meter going and 600 meter coming. So it will be total 1200 meters, 1.2 kilometer, and this will take around 10 to 15 minutes at max. And then safety is also there. Then this zip line I experienced in Vagamon was too good. Now let's start our journey to Kottayam. So finally we have come to drop the car. So we got it for 24 hours, and the company, I told you already, I gave so much of detail in my previous video. So if you haven't watched that video, please go and watch that video so that you get some information out of this video and how to book this car rental. So this is their office, basically La Cabs. That's how the office looks. We have come to drop this car at their office only, and we got it for 24 hours, and it is like 1 hour is exceeded. Now let's see how much payment we are making and how much total. I'll tell you in some time. Let me clear the bill. So guys, we have completed the procedure now, and let me tell you how much overall I have paid. So this car, Tata Tiago, was 1000 rupees per day, and they have not charged extra. I reached actually 1 hour late, but they have not charged anything extra. So it was 100 rupees per hour, but they didn't charge us, and total extra kilometer was I think 42 kilometers. So per kilometer they charged 8 rupees, so 344 was extra, so 1344 we have been charged, and then 2000 petrol, 2000 rupees for petrol it consumed. We went to Vagamon, we came back to the same place, and then we did a sightseeing also in Vagamon, and so total was 193 kilometers run, 2000 petrol. Average let's assume as 10 kilometers only, not more than 10 we can assume, because we are using full on AC. So overall what we have paid is 1334, and what best I liked about La Cabs is their instant refund. So many companies, I have booked car previously and I've shared info also, they will not give you an instant refund. You have to wait for some time and then they'll credit the refund, but this La Cabs is giving instant refund. I will also share the number with you, so that if you want to book their car, you can book easily. So this is the number. Lakshmi Gopal is the customer relationship executive, and you can see the numbers. You can take a screenshot. Let's continue our journey further towards Alleppey. Finally we have arrived at this Kodi Mata water park, and this is also known as Kodi Mata water jetty or boat jetty. Kodi Mata boat jetty, if you'll say, everyone here in Kottayam knows this. And then there is one ferry which is going to take us, one boat taxi I can say, which is going to take us to Alleppey. And this vlog was not just ended at Kottayam. Kottayam we dropped our car, then that company, same company dropped us to this place, boat jetty point, and then I'll show you the timings and fare as well once we board the boat. Let me show you the timings also. So you can see from Kottayam it's 6:45, 11:31, 3:30 and 5:15, and then from Alappuzha also there's 7:15, 9:35, 11:30, 2:30 and 5:15. Number is also there written, and ticket price is also written here. Here is the office for this state water transport department, state Kottayam looks like, and our boat is going to depart from here itself. So इसी बैक वाटर में हम अभी जाने वाले हैं till Alleppey. Let's see how much time it takes till Alleppey and how our experience is going to be. Currently अभी हम बोट के अंदर आ चुके हैं, एंड द बोट डिपार्चर टाइम आई विल टेल यू. दिस सीट इज ऑन फर्स्ट कम फर्स्ट सर्व. अभी इफ यू कम हाफ एन आवर और 40 मिनट्स बिफोर यू विल गेट आराम से सीट. सो दिस बोट हैज़ अराइव्ड हेयर. it has arrived at 40 minutes before departure, right? 12:20 it has arrived, and we have grabbed our seats inside the boat. I can show you here. The passenger capacity is 102, so 102 people it can carry, and this is like boat taxi. It has so many stops, right? It will cover so many stops in the middle, and then it will reach Alleppey. So let's see how much time exactly it takes, how many stop it has, what is the fare, everything. Let us see, and we are going to see so many beautiful views in the journey also. So let's see when the boat is going to start from here, and timings are also there in the boat. So finally you can see the timing, and now we are departing from Kottayam. So let's see how much time exactly it takes, and I think we'll go in the reverse direction. This is basically government service. So you can see their state transport department station Kottayam. This is a basically government service, and everyone here is in proper dress. So you don't have to worry anything. The staff here is too cooperative. Kerala basically people are so good. Malayali people are so good, but since this is a government, you cannot expect a good service. But in Kerala, you don't have to worry about that. That is the best thing I like about Kerala, and that is why Kerala is so good in tourism. This is a government service. You can see when some people have missed their boat since they were not on time. So अगर भाई यहाँ पे आप टाइम पे नहीं आते ना, तो बिल्कुल टाइम से this boat will depart. 2 minutes almost it was delayed, but I'll not consider it as a delay. So if you are delaying further, then you are going to definitely miss this boat. And now you can see we are into the backwaters now, and then now we are departing from Kottayam. So finally at 1:06 we are now departing from Kottayam, and then let's see what time exactly it takes till Alappi. So now we have purchased the ticket also. Boat mein they'll give you the ticket, or KTM to ALPY yani Kottayam to Alappi. How much we have charged this? 4 person we are there, so 29 rupees per person. Total 116. So 29 rupees is the per person ticket. So guys, finally we have arrived at Alappi, and we started from Vagamon. I think 8:30 in the morning, and then 3:30 approx we have arrived. So almost it took 7 hours for us from Vagamon to reach Alappi, and the journey experience was amazing. I showed you, we traveled first from Vagamon to Kottayam, and then from Kottayam we took this 29 rupees only boat ride to Alappi, and it was worth every penny. So I hope you have enjoyed this vlog, and this information is going to help you. So we have arrived at this boat jetty point in Alappi, and our experience for this journey was amazing. My main motto was to cover this in detail कि आप इस ferry में भी आ सकते हैं, plus you can also take a bus to Alappi. But if you're coming by this ferry, you will really enjoy the Kerala backwaters. And then if you don't even want to visit houseboat, if you don't have budget, then this can your perfect itinerary for your Kerala trip. I hope you have enjoyed this vlog from Vagamon to Alappi, and if you have liked this vlog, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with family and friends. I'll take a part now. Till then, bye bye, take care of your family and take care of yourself.